Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. For those that do not know, my name is Venus and I'm so happy to have you here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my own scalp scrub with simple ingredients. The star ingredient here is obviously Epsom salt. You can use sugar, but I prefer Epsom salt because it adds volume to your hair. It helps prevent fungal growth and removes flakes and any dandruff from your scalp. So it's really good for scalp health. You can use sugar, but I'm going to use Epsom salt. And I made enough for one use. You don't need too much. I want us to make it a habit to also exfoliate our scalp. Just like we exfoliate our body, our face, we need to be exfoliating our scalp so that our hair can flourish and grow healthier, thicker, longer, fuller. And for this, you can use any oil that you like. I recommend using something very hydrating like castor oil. It is super fatty and thick, and I like it for like my base. Then I'm gonna go ahead with grapeseed because it just hydrates and moisturizes my strands so well. And vitamin E is just amazing. I suggest you guys do your research on these oils because man, oh man, they're amazing. I wouldn't put too much oil in this scrub just because I want the salt to stick together and not fall off. You don't want it to be so runny. And just like that, you just made your own scalp scrub. So let me tell you the benefits of incorporating a scalp scrub to your weekly or bi-weekly routine. Have you ever had a sore scalp? That can possibly mean that your scalp and your follicles are inflamed and clogged. So using a scrub will help remove any debris, any accumulation of oils on the scalp. For example, if I was to dip my hand in wax and remove it, my hand will be filled with wax, right? And if I try spraying my hand, it's not going to reach my hand because it has a barrier, which is the wax. Water is the #1 key to hydration and moisturization, water. And if we have a film or a barrier over, we are not moisturizing our scalp, we are not moisturizing our hair. We need to unclog and just remove all of that gunk from our scalp and strands. By using a scalp scrub, you're removing dead skin, any dandruff, and by using a scrub, you're stimulating your follicles, and that aids in blood circulation, which equals hair growth. Make sure that the shampoos that you guys are using to cleanse your hair is paraben-free, silicone-free, mineral oil-free. All of those ingredients will definitely clog your follicles, which will create a film, make your scalp irritated, dry, itchy, and flaky. So if you're experiencing any of those symptoms, please do yourself a favor and use a scrub to relieve yourself from those symptoms. Use clean products and create a clean environment for your scalp to flourish. If you keep adding oil and oil and oil and you're not moisturizing your scalp with water, or water just can't penetrate your scalp, then babes, you definitely need to exfoliate your scalp. And don't worry if you have locks. As you can tell, it'll come right on off and no residue left behind. My locks are nice and soft. My scalp feels amazing. Comment down below if you're going to give this a try. I would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, being a part of La Familia. We continue to grow each and every day, and I'm just so happy to have you guys here. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year. I will see you in the next one. Mwah, mis amores.